So first of all, please don't consider Bitcoin as an entire blockchain technology, because blockchain is the main technology and Bitcoin is just a use case of it. Let's say for example, using internet, we can create different type of websites like social media, banking, finance. In the similar way, we can use blockchain in different things, and there are a lot of uses of blockchain. And one of the use of blockchain is Bitcoin. So hello friends, in these upcoming 5 minutes, you will not just only understand, but also you will feel what is the blockchain exactly, why we need it, how it works, what are its uses, and a lot of other things also. So please like, subscribe and put the video in full screen and high speed for better experience. So basically blockchain is a type of database in which we can store and retrieve any type of data. Now you may be thinking that we can also store and retrieve data in other conventional databases, but blockchain is different than them because blockchain is decentralized, but the other databases are centralized. It means when you store data in conventional databases, then a single person or a group of people owns your data. They can do whatever they want with your data. They can manipulate or even they can share your data with anyone. But the blockchain is decentralized database. It stores information across a number of distributed computers as opposed to on a single centralized server. So your data becomes more secure and immutable, and no one will able to steal or manipulate your data easily. So blockchain is a distributed ledger, or we can say database, that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, blockchain stores information electronically in digital format. Now think of a real world example, banks and Bitcoin. Where banks are completely centralized, every data is stored in their personal server, but Bitcoin is based on blockchain. Every transaction that happen in Bitcoin stored in blockchain. So that's why Bitcoin becomes decentralized, transparent and very secure. Now you may be thinking that without blockchain everything is going fine around us, so why we need blockchain exactly? So please look at its qualities once, that blockchain is decentralized, transparent, secure, safe and immutable. So rather than using conventional databases which are completely centralized, we can use decentralized blockchain database in many fields like in banking, gaming, finance and in a lot of other fields also. By using blockchain instead of other conventional databases, users have more security, transparency and trust that their data is more secure. So now let I explain you how the blockchain works. Then I will tell you more sectors and fields in which we can use blockchain. Now for better understanding that how the blockchain works, let I explain you with an example. Imagine that we have created a server with 10 computers used to maintain the database, and in this website we are storing users personal data that they fill in our website. So now this is completely centralized database because we have full control over all the computers that are working in this database. We can change, manipulate, steal or even share this data with anyone. We can do whatever we want with this data that is stored in this database. But if we distribute the computers in different locations and then we store data in a special way in which we are adding data in blocks and managing the blocks in a chain, then it becomes decentralized. Then we will not able to manipulate the data. So this way of storing data in database is blockchain. So now not a single person have full control over the complete database. This way it becomes transparent, immutable and secure. There are many nodes in computer network who run the code of blockchain and store the data. Here we can refer node as a computer. So basically many computers from different locations connect in blockchain network and then run the code of blockchain in order to sustain the entire network of blockchain. The blockchain code works in such a way that when we add new data in blockchain, then data is added into blocks and then the blocks are added into existing chain of blockchain. Whenever we store new data, then the new data will be added into blocks and then blocks will be added to the chain, and then the copy of data is spread between all the nodes. Blocks are securely linked together, forming a secure digital chain from the beginning of the ledger to the present transaction. Transactions are typically secured using cryptography, meaning the nodes need to solve complex mathematical equations to process a transaction. As a reward for their efforts in validating changes to the stored data, nodes are typically rewarded with a new amount of blockchain native currency. That's why blockchain is secure, decentralized, immutable and transparent. Yes, I know that this is a very basic explanation of blockchain, but for your better understanding, I explain the working of blockchain in a nutshell, because it will be took more time to explain each and every step of working of blockchain. But if you want to understand working of the blockchain in detail, then you can search on YouTube. You will find many dedicated video to this topic. So now let I explain you some fields and sectors in which we can use blockchain technology. By using blockchain technology in our project, we can store our private information in blockchain, because blockchain will make it secure, immutable and transparent, and it will increase users' trust on our project. So here are some fields and sectors in which we can use blockchain technology. Blockchain will speed up the whole process of banking system and make it more secure and trustable. NFT means non-fungible token, which means every token will be unique in it. We can connect NFTs with gaming characters and places, so it will make them unique, reusable and tradable. We can add any type of our desirable logic in smart contracts and then deploy it on blockchain, and then we can use it as we want. We can also use the blockchain technology in supply chain. It will make it more secure, trustable and transparent. By using blockchain, we can more securely store every patient's data. When a medical record is generated and signed, it can be written into the blockchain, which provides patient with the proof and confidence that the record cannot be changed. Financial services like lending, borrowing, cryptocurrency, we can do on blockchain because we don't need any middleman for this, and we can trust on the code that it will never cheat us. So these were some uses of blockchain technology. There are also many more use cases of it, and also if you have new ideas, then you can use blockchain in different sectors.